Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix hotspot problem in your Redmi A5 smartphone. So let's start the video friends. If you are making the mistake of opening the hotspot and it is not connecting, so first you have to stop doing that. Your password is automatically changed. So firstly you have to just change your password first. So as you can see, I have opened the settings. Click on this internet and connection, then click on hotspot and tethering. Click on this hotspot setting. So as you can see here it is hotspot password. So you can see the password, it is automatically set. I have not even changed it. So firstly you have to just remove the password and make your own at least 8-digit password like this, and click on press OK. And now your password is changed. You have to enable the hotspot and it will definitely connect to the another smartphone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.